Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our old Ford F250 here. We'll set the parking brake, see if it works. It does not. Oh, it does. Radio works. That's pretty cool. Blower fan works. Hard to see on them gauges there. Gas gauge shows right about empty, so I don't know if it works or if it's just stuck on E. Horn works. Wipers work. It's got a manual choke. Like kind of new water pump. Been sitting a lot, hasn't been licensed for the road since 2014, so seems to run pretty good, runs a little rough. I'm guessing some old gas. There, look, you can sell the washer fluid in the washer tank. Headlights. Now exhaust. Tail lights. So, pretty neat, solid old truck. Pretty cool story, being our neighbors when we were kids. So, pretty cool. 605-695-7391.